Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, my bits, and a quick little weekend end of week roundup, should I say? Um, as you can see here, I've got some trades open on with Btrade Signal Pro. As you can see, they're all out of the money at the moment. But what I've tended to notice is that that's what happens because their prediction is for in however long. So I don't know how it is for the rest of you that have tried it, but I find that as soon as when you do place the trades, they're more than likely out of the money in the red at first, and then they find their way and they do their thing. Obviously, there is losing trades, but that's the name of the game. But what I'm going to do is, if we go to Btrade Signal Pro, I've had a couple of people say that they don't like the look of this. They think it looks a little bit messy. They want to just sort of like an auto trader where they can just click. So if that's the case, maybe you might be better off with something like Crypto Masterbot, where it is just simple like that. But for the other people, I know there is a lot of people that do like to. I mean, this isn't complicated. As I think it's really simple. You've got the signals here, and then you've got the chart here. So if we look, say, at Litecoin Euro, it will come up here. There we go, Litecoin Euro. So you can see, I like to keep it on the line chart rather than the candlesticks. I always think the candlesticks get a little bit messy, but you can see that's got a downward slope. It's hit that little spike there, but it's on its way down. Now they're saying it's a short going down, and you can see by that it is going down. So if we click on trade, and here we go, Litecoin Euro, and you can see here it's the same. You've got the same pattern there as you've got here. You can see that slope there. It's exactly the same there. You can see it's a bit far away, but you can zoom in on that. That's it. But it's the same. So if we put a short, place the trade, and it's that simple. So it's very, very simple. You get the signal come up here. The signal come up here. You can check it here if you want to just check to see what it's doing. You can zoom right in on this chart as well and click trade. That sends you to the broker, sends you to that asset, and then you click. So you click the sell where it was on a sell, and it's placed that trade. So it's that simple. Okay, so if we do one more, if we go to ETH against the US dollar, click on that. That will bring the chart up. Little delay. There we go. So you can see again that's saying long. So you see that's on this point here where it's hit this low point, and now it's starting to work its way back up. If we just check, if we click on that, and then you can see the same here. If we zoom in on that, you can see that it's hit that low point and it's now on its way back up. So we click a buy. So you can check it on both charts, and you can see it's the same trade. And the trade's now open. So you can see there, ETH against the US dollar and Litecoin against the Euro, the two trades. Now they're both out of the money at the minute, but I'll let them do their thing and see what happens. The beauty of this though is that if they come into the money, you can close them off. So you can click close, and that will close it off when they're in profit. But it is very, very simple to use. I quite enjoy it. I mean, people that say, "Oh, I want something where you just click auto trade," that's okay, but obviously there's a higher risk of an auto trade. With this, you are in control of it. So you see the signal come up. You can then go on. You can check the chart, see if it is doing its thing. And like you can see there, they've said that's going up, and it is going up. So you see there, the ETH long, and it is shooting up. So it's pretty good. They've got it pretty much in the money. But anyway, I'm going to let this do its thing, and I'll be back later with some results. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, quite a bit of green there, which we like to see. So those two come in, then there's one that are lost there, not too bad, 36 euros. Another two have come in. If we scroll down, another one there. Ooh, a nasty loss there of 100 euros. Then three more have come in. Oh, where's that one? Oh, another loss. Ooh, and then a nice big one there at the end, 473 euros. So out of 12 trades, 3 losses. I'll take that any day. Very happy with that. Now, one thing I have noticed with this is that although it says 13 in the trade history, there's actually 12. And I think that's because here you see these trade numbers as they go down. They account for one that the deposit is on for some reason. So you can see it's got a number for itself there. So I think that's why. But if you look, there's only 12 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. But yeah, 12 trades, 3 losses. I'm very pleased with that. As you can see there, my balance is now at 13,148 euros. Now I'm well pleased with that, considering the amount of time I've been using this, which hasn't been long. And like I say, it's very simple to use. You get the signals come up here and the chart here. You can see the chart is the same on the broker site. And literally, if you want to check this out, I know not everyone does. I don't really understand people that have said to me, "Oh, it's a bit complicated." I think they just want a big red button that you can just press. But it's very simple. So the signals come up here. If you want to check which direction it's going in, double check for yourself. Click on the on that currency, like here, Ethereum against the US dollar. That brings the chart up, and you can see where it's going. You can zoom right in, out. You've got candlesticks, however you like it. Everyone's different, and then minute view, 30-minute view, an hour view, how you want it. So it's very, very simple. If you're into checking out the chart for yourself, and then just click trade, it takes you to the broker, places the trade. Very, very simple. But yeah, I think it's really good. I say also you've got, I know I've said it before, but for anyone that hasn't looked at it, you've got news, economic calendar, and loads of tools. When you click up here on these, like on those numbers there, those percentages, it takes you into a whole new page full of different things of what's going on with the in the world that could affect the trading. But very simple to use. Btrade Signal Pro. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link below the video. Have a good weekend. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. But yeah, I think I know maybe if you're new to it and you look at it, it might look a bit complicated, but it's not. Literally signals and the trading, the direction it's going in the chart. So very, very simple. The signals come up, you place them. You can change them if you want to have just cryptocurrencies or all currencies. You can change it. So very, very simple to use. But check it out for yourself. Links below the video, and I'll be back with you next week with more updates and reviews. Have a good weekend, and I'll be back with you soon. Thank you.